If you're looking for a business laptop, you've probably seen the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 7. But is it actually worth your money? Or is the hype just another scam? Let's take a closer look. The ThinkPad E14 Gen 7 comes with several processor options. Some models use Intel Core Ultra chips, others use standard core processors. You can also get configurations with up to 32GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD storage. And honestly, that's a pretty solid setup. For everyday work, this laptop should handle things like browsing, Microsoft Office, video calls, and multitasking without much trouble. The keyboard is another big plus. You get that classic ThinkPad feel. It's comfortable, it's spill-resistant, and yes, you still get the famous track point. The laptop is also fairly portable. It starts at around 1.32 kilograms. But there is one thing you need to watch: the display. The basic version has a 14-inch WBU-XGA IPS panel with 300 nits brightness and only 45% NTSC color coverage. That's fine for office work. But if you're editing photos or videos, it's not exactly impressive. Thankfully, Lenovo also offers a much better 2.8K display. It has 400 nits, 100% sRGB, and a 120Hz refresh rate. So, is the ThinkPad E14 Gen 7 a scam? No, it's actually a legitimate business laptop with strong performance, useful ports, a great keyboard, and plenty of configuration options. But don't buy the cheapest version blindly. Check the processor, RAM, battery, and especially the display before you pay. For students, professionals, and everyday users, I'd say it's worth considering. Just make sure you're buying the right configuration. Overall, I'd give the Lenovo ThinkPad E14 Gen 7 a solid 8 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's definitely not a scam.